accounts. So to resolve that issue, we got some biometric authentication techniques. In that case, we have fingerprint authentications, facial gesture authentications, voice authentication, and gesture authentications even. So now we are currently using in our mobile phones, even we are using fingerprint authentication or facial recognition authentication. But this will be more secure in my opinion, and I'll tell you the reason also. In previously coming to the literature survey, we have gesture authentication separately and voice authentication separately. But we and my team, we came up with a new application in the combination of both gesture authentication and voice authentication even. So by using this application, we can give the user 2x security because these were two biometric authentication techniques and non-contactable even. So to develop this application, we use for front end we use HTML, CSS and React as we all know, and from coming to back end, for gesture we use MediaPipe, and for voice recognition we use SpeechBrain. So this is my team and who helped me to develop this application. She's Jayashree, she developed front end in this application, and she's Deepthi, she developed back end. So Jayashree will tell you about the front back end.
What did you develop?
Sir, I did literature survey and I helped to integrate the models into the application. Great. Thank you, sir.
I am Jayashree and I've contributed the backend to this project. Coming to the backend, we have used two models, one for the hand gesture detection and one for the voice authentication. Speaking about the hand gesture detection, we have used a library of, we have used
Jayashree, 1 minute. People at the back, it is a request, please do not talk.
So speaking about the hand gesture detection, we have used the OpenCV to capture the image, and to process it we have used the MediaPipe. MediaPipe is a Google's framework, and in this MediaPipe we have, it consists of two inbuilt pre-trained models which I have used in this project, and one is a palm detection and the other one is a hand gestures. The palm detection tells whether the palm is there in front of the camera or not, so it helps to detect the hand in front of the camera. And the hand gestures is used to get the, after detecting the image of the hand, it is used to give the 21 values of 3D output values of landmarks of one hand. So after getting the output value, we flatten this and convert it into the binary values so that it is converted into 1D of binary values, which is easy for us to store and train the model. And this output value has been stored when the user registers for the first time in the database. So next, when the user logins with the same gesture, the image is captured, it is flattened and then again binarized, and this output value is then compared to the one which is stored in the database. So these two arrays are compared using the Hamming distance. We have given a value for the Hamming distance, and we have experimented with various values because it was not so easy to get the accuracy. So this was about the hand gesture detection. And coming to the voice detection model, we have used a speech brain library, and in this we have used a pre-trained model of eGAPA TDML. It is a neural network model, and it extracts the voice features from the given audio input. And these inputs are then again flattened and binarized into 1D array, and we store this as a .wav files in the program. Under the static folder, we have the voices subfolder, and in this we can see we have the .wav files. We are using .wav files because it is uncompressed and it consists the audio in the original format, so that the accuracy will be higher and great. And already when the user logins again with the same voice, it matches the one with the database which has been stored. And if the user is valid with the, it compares the values with the Hamming distance, and if it comes under the distance, it verifies the user. If it is above the value which we have prescribed here, it doesn't verify the user. So these are the two main models which have been using in our project. So the UI will be explained by my teammate Deepthi.
Fine, good afternoon to all. I'm Deepthi and I'm here to explain about my role in this project. As a front-end developer, I have worked on UI based. So mainly I have created the 3 web pages like a home page and which contain the registration and login pages redirected links, and again I have created the registration page and the login page, and final at all there will be a dashboard where this page will be opened after the user is successfully logged in. So at first we need to register. If the user is new to the application and he must be registered, so here the username should be entered, and after that the hand gesture must be captured. The reason behind why we used this hand gesture and voice processing instead we have like manual password entering is the hand gesture will be unique to every user. If the password is manually entered, it may be leaked to someone else, like it may be hacked to someone. So in that cases the information may be leaked. So in these cases, if we capture the hand gesture and the voice processing is taken as input, no one can mimic the user. So after the registration is successfully, then the login page will be redirected, and after that the user is successfully logged in, the dashboard page will be open. So in this, first of all the user need to enter the username, and after that here we need to give the unique gesture, so something like that the user can remember at login time also. So while we have giving the gesture, the landmarks in the gesture will be captured and it will be processed by the media pipe library.